Check engine light on? Battery acting up? Why buy two tools when one does it all? Meet the UJS 2-in-1 OBD2 Scanner and Battery Tester. It's an easy-to-use car scanner that translates complicated car problems into plain language. Simply plug it in, turn on the ignition, and start diagnosing. No charging or complex setup is needed. Perform a battery health test to check state of health and state of charge, helping you determine whether it's in good condition or needs replacement. Run a cranking test to detect a weak battery or failing starter motor before starting problems occur. The device also allows you to monitor the alternator's output voltage under different engine conditions. With clear, easy-to-read results, you can stay one step ahead by checking your battery before cold winter mornings, long family road trips, or after your vehicle has been parked for weeks. Supporting all 10 standard protocols, the device supports every essential OBD2 function you need and more than you'd expect. Perform a complete OBD2 health scan in seconds. Read and clear trouble codes. Freeze frame. Check inspection and maintenance readiness for emissions. View live data. Check VIN information. Mode 6 and Mode 8 diagnostics and oxygen sensor checking. After scanning, the built-in repair solution provides clear explanations of fault codes along with possible causes and recommended fixes. Even better, you can generate a professional diagnostic report with a single tap and easily share it with your mechanic or save it for future maintenance records. UJS 2-in-1 Scanner is now official on Amazon and TikTok Shop. Enjoy a 2-year warranty and hassle-free returns on every order. Message our customer support team for any questions about compatibility or more product details. Grab yours today.